Hello, Colettes. For card number 3, what I can see here are painful endings, wounds, betrayal, crisis, collapse, defeat, and failure. Ngayon, kailangan natin ng recovery. Kailangan natin ng healing and learning lessons. Marami ka ng pinagdaanan ng painful and multiple wounds. As a result, para nahihirapan ka mag-move forward. Well, I know it's going to take time to heal kasi hindi na naman natin kayang mabago ang nakalipas or nakaraan. Pero, things can only go up from here. All we need to do is put the past behind and start moving forward kasi the light is already ahead. Kailangan natin dito dahil nagkaroon ka ng disharmony and misalignment or you feel alone and disorganized, kailangan na natin to learn and contemplate. Start building something na makakaramdam ka ng sense of security and goals na magkakaroon ng long-term rewards. Well, good news here is everything is coming together. Makakaramdam ka ng success as part of a team or alone. Pwede ka rin daw makipag-collaborate, continue mo rin yung mga goals na tinatahak mo ngayon para ma-push yan toward your final goal. Magkakaroon ka rin ng contentment and satisfaction and emotional stability. Parang nakita na natin na how you struggled finding the purpose and comfort, diba? Pero ngayon, dadating na naman yung time na makakatayo ka ulit. Aayos mo na naman yung mga goals mo at unti-unti mong makukuha yung success na hinihingi mo. Ang success hindi naman yan nagagawa overnight eh. Talagang pinaghihirapan at pinagplaplanuhang mabuti. Yan. Kaya ngayon, mas magiging maayos na ang lahat. Tapos, syempre, alam naman natin na magiging maganda ang role that you will be playing in the future. Leave the past behind, pero, syempre, hindi natin yan kakalimutan. Instead, we will take it as a challenge for us to become a better person. So, that's it for card number 3. Stay safe, be blessed, and namaste.